Reliance Jio has launched which digital wallet service for peoples? Answer is Jio Money. Which service is used for sending or receiving mail on the internet? Answer is email. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by? Answer is members of the Legislative Assembly. Total number of high courts in India is? Answer is 25. Who was the first Indian woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Union budget is always presented first in Lok Sabha. Which state has the highest number of representatives in both the houses? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first female governor of India? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Supreme Court judges retire at the age of how many years? Answer is 65 years. The highest body which approves the first year plan of our country is National Development Council. In which year American independence was acknowledged by England? Answer is 1783. French Revolution was started in the year? Answer is 1789. Rome was liberated by the Italian soldiers in the year? Answer is 1870. Name of the first Indian to get Gnanpith Award? J. Shankar Karup. India's first woman president was Srimati Pratibha Patil. Name of the first woman governor of India? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Name of the first Indian woman ruler? Answer is Razia Sultana. Name of the first woman musician of India to get Bharat Ratna? M.S. Subbalakshmi. Name of the first woman of India to win WTA title? Answer is Sania Mirza. Name of the first Indian woman to get Nobel Prize? Answer is Mother Teresa. Name of the first woman judge of Supreme Court of India? Answer is Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. Name of the first woman of India to get Ashok Chakra? Answer is Nirja Mishra. Who is the current chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer is Justice H.L. Dattu. Who can be appointed as the chairman of National Human Rights Commission? Any retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. What is the tenure of the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer is 5 years or up to 70 years of age. Where is the headquarters of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer is Delhi. When changes have been made in the National Human Rights Commission Act? Answer is 2006. Name of the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Name of the first space tourist of India. Answer is Santosh George Kulangara. Name of the first aircraft carrier Indian ship. Answer is INS Vikrant. Name of the first Indian who reached South Pole. Answer is Colonel J.K. Bajaj. Name of the first Indian who won billiards trophy. Answer is Wilson Jones. Name of the first Indian Prime Minister who resigned from office. Answer is Morarji Desai. First Indian recipient of Oscar Award. Answer is Banu Athiya. Name of the first Indian president to die in the office. Answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Name of the first Indian author to get the Anderson Award. Answer is Ruskin Bond. Name of the first Indian missile. Answer is Prithvi 1. Vasco da Gama reached in India in which year? Answer is 1498. Who achieved the discovery of vitamin C? Answer is James Watson. Which gas is most popular as laughing gas? Answer is nitrous oxide. What is the best source of protein? Answer is soya bean. What is the radiant energy of the sun is transmitted? Answer is short waves. The Folded Earth book was written by. Answer is Anuradha Roy. Name of vegetable which is also known as a flower. Answer is broccoli. Foundations of biology concept is given by whom? Answer is Jean Piaget. Which planet is commonly known as dwarf planet? Answer is Pluto. In eye donation, which part of donor's eye is utilized? Answer is cornea. The Indian Constitution provides for the appointment of ad hoc judges in the. Answer is Supreme Court. Which city hosted the 1980 Olympic Games? Answer is Moscow. At which US nuclear plant did a nuclear accident occur in 1979? Answer is 3 Mile Island. Which is the world's largest dry desert? Answer is Sahara Desert. Which is the world's second largest desert? Answer is Australian desert. What is the best conductor of electricity? Answer is salt water. What is the average salinity of seawater? Answer is 3.5%. What is the function of heavy water in a nuclear reactor? To slow down the speed of neutrons. Which crop is sown on the largest area in India? Answer is rice. The value of gold is determined in. Answer is London. The state which has the largest number of sugar mills in India is. Answer is Maharashtra. First university in India was founded at. Answer is Calcutta. Taj Mahal is on the bank of which river? River Yamuna. The currency notes are printed in. Answer is Nasik. Which is the land of rising sun? Answer is Japan. The largest ocean in the world is. Answer is Pacific Ocean. The Kalahari Desert is in which country? Answer is South Africa. Mica is available abundantly in. Bihar, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh. The Second World War has begun in which year? 1939. Kanchipuram was once the capital of. Answer is Pallavas. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court can hold office until the age of. Answer is 65 years. The largest gland in the human body is. Answer is liver. The chemical name of common salt is. Answer is sodium chloride. In the parliamentary system of India, the executive is subordinate to. Answer is the legislature. The election commission can be removed by. Answer is the parliament. The system of dual citizenship exists in which country? Answer is USA. Who are the guardians of fundamental rights? Answer is Supreme Court and High Court. The President of the Constituent Assembly was. Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which of the following was to be discovered first in the chromosphere of the Sun? Answer is helium. Which of the following is in liquid form at room temperature? Answer is francium. Sodium metal is kept under. Answer is kerosene. Which of the following are the ingredients of gunmetal? Copper, tin. From which mineral is radium obtained? Answer is pitchblende. Potassium nitrate is used in. Answer is fertilizer. Permanent hardness of water may be removed by the addition of. Answer is sodium carbonate. Soda water contains. Answer is carbon dioxide. The most important ore of aluminium is. Answer is bauxite. Most soluble in water is. Answer is sugar. Chemical formula for water is. Answer is H2O. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is? Answer is nitrogen. Washing soda is the common name for? Answer is sodium carbonate. Quartz crystals normally used in quartz clocks etc. is chemically silicon dioxide. Which of the gas is not known as greenhouse gas? Answer is hydrogen. Brass gets discolored in air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air? Answer is hydrogen sulfide. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Answer is bromine. Chlorophyll is a naturally occurring chelate compound in which central metal is? Answer is magnesium. Which of the following is used in pencils? Answer is graphite. The deepest point in the world is? Answer is Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is in dash ocean. Answer is the Pacific Ocean. The depth of the Mariana Trench is how many meters? Answer is 10,911 meters. Panama, a country, connects the two continents. Answer is South America and North America. Turkey connects the two continents. Answer is Asia and Europe. Egypt connects the two continents. Answer is Asia and Africa.